The clean girl aesthetic vibes is all about being that girl, but taking it an extra mile. Not only do we wake up at the crack of dawn and make our beds every single morning, but we also wear neutral clothing to also look chic and business casual. We eat healthy, we work out, and we have our lives together, or so it seems. But this is where I tell you that that is not true. There is no way there is someone who has their lives perfectly together all the time. There is just no way we can control everything in that way. So the purpose of this video is to help inspire and motivate you to have the productive day that you want, but also know that it doesn't have to happen every single day. And even if it doesn't, don't feel guilty. You can always come back to this. Good morning, everyone. So today I woke up at 6:30 a.m. without my alarm because lately I have trained myself to wake up at the same time every day. This morning I made my bed and then I immediately changed into my day clothes. I am loving the neutral tones that are really in right now, although I feel like if I were eating Korean food, that would not be the best outfit. Water is your best friend if you want healthy, dewy skin, so we are going to drink a lot of water today. Good morning, everyone. So a big part of the clean girl aesthetic is your hair and makeup. So we're gonna go for a very simple look today, a little bun action. Then I'm going to moisturize with my La Mer moisturizer. I have no idea what I ate, but I got this dry and blemish on my cheek. We're gonna go in with my favorite La Mer compact cushion. Next, I'm just going to use my sugar chapstick. It is slightly tinted. It's a rose color. Okay, eyebrows all done, and we're just gonna put on some mascara and call it a day. So when doing this clean little slick back bun, you want to make sure that your hair is wet, and then we're going to go in with a tiny bit of this Olaplex number 3 to put it together. It is a hair treatment. Instructions say you should keep it on for 10 minutes, but on TikTok everyone keeps it on for 45 minutes, 2 hours. So to prevent the little streaks from making you look like you're bald, you can use your hands to go over your hair. So here's my little slick back pony. Here's the bun. So we are going to do something called a word dump this morning. So while I'm journaling, I'm going to set a 5-minute timer, and I'm just going to word dump everything that I'm thinking about this morning. So this could be worries, what I'm thankful for, any prayer requests, or literally anything that I'm thinking about. I'm not going to stop writing for 5 minutes and just get all of my words out onto paper. So in 5 minutes, I actually ended up only writing about a paragraph because I was thinking a lot. I ended up starting off with a lot of what ifs. What if my channel stops growing? What if, what if? These are all hypothetical. It does not mean it's going to happen, and yet I'm spending my time thinking about it. And I can be using that energy and that time thinking about something else that's a little more positive. So then I really focused more on who God is in my life, and being thankful for that. Also on Sunday, my pastor Josh talked about how many times we say God is sovereign, and thinking that God is sovereign in the sense of, oh, he is in control, providing things for us, giving us all of the things that we need, and that is true. But God is sovereign actually means God is also free to do whatever he wants. And ultimately we trust that it is for his glory and his purpose. But that means sometimes bad things happen to good people. That means sometimes good things happen to bad people. All in all, God is in control, and he gets to do what he wants because we belong to him. But trusting that he is good regardless. Today in Ego is the Enemy on page 63. Those who have subdued their ego understand that it doesn't degrade you when others treat you poorly. It actually degrades them. And I've been saying this to myself a lot too, of if someone treats you poorly, it's actually more of a reflection of them, not of you and who you are. For lunch today, I'm going to have a chicken salad, and I only get full from salads if they are really hearty and filled with a lot of fresh ingredients. And thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's portion of this video. It is really convenient to have fresh ingredients delivered straight to my door right when I need it. I was able to carry this giant box from my mailroom that's about 5 minutes away all the way to my apartment, and it's just great to have everything that I need, and it's enough to feed multiple people. So HelloFresh recipes feature produce that goes from the farm to your front door in under a week. HelloFresh's recipes are so delicious, and their newest menu release includes Mediterranean recipes, and they are filled with fresh fruits, veggies, nuts, olive oils, and fiber-packed whole grains. So true transparency, I have been looking to eat more Mediterranean-style foods because this fitness trainer that I follow on Instagram looks so good, and that's the style that she eats. You can effortlessly save time, money, and stress because they have step-by-step recipes that are super easy to follow, and they're pre-portioned to help cut out prep time, so I can have time to go out. I love goals, and HelloFresh helps you reach your goals because it won't get in the way of a busy day. HelloFresh can also help you eat more sustainably because they are the first carbon-neutral meal kit company, and nearly all the packaging is recyclable. So go to HelloFresh.com and use code MILEY16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. Wow! I have a major tan. I went on a quick little grocery run to grab some more fruits. I tend to go grocery shopping just once a week, and that limits me from getting too much food. Now it's time for me to work on my videos. So I'm going to be working on a voiceover today and answering a couple of emails. Let's get in at least 30 minutes of intense, focused work. I always have a to-do list, and I aim to finish my to-do list before the evening time because that's when I tend to relax. But I will tell you, there are many times where I don't feel like completing my to-do list. I know that may sound like a surprise to you, but there are moments where I feel unmotivated too. But the thing is that I've always told myself, even if you don't feel like it, you do it anyway. Now, the purpose behind that is because I know I put it on my to-do list because it is going to make my life easier if I get it done today. So future me will thank the past me, which is the present me. Is that confusing? I am not teaching today, so I was able to stay home for most of the day, and that is when I do my laundry so that I am home and able to unload and reload my laundry in a timely manner. Thank you guys for joining me on my clean girl aesthetic vibes video. I hope this motivates you to be productive and to really embrace every hour of every day. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye! 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가